So I made it work. I added the scalloped, and I added length and personality to it. Yeah, so let me show you how to do this. But today we're gonna use some similar color coordinations, but it doesn't really matter what colors you use and what yarn and what crochet. This is actually recycled from a different top I opened, and I'm using this, and this is an European 2.5 millimeters. So let's get started. So of course you're always gonna start from the center of the blouse. Alright, just put a hook right there in the center. And for the first row guys, I want to give you a tip. Always use a smaller crochet instead of a chunkier one. It's easier to insert through the material, even though you might want to change the crochet on the second row, but always start with a smaller one just to make it way through. And let's go, just insert one. Always pull this double just so this thing don't open in the back. Let it go here. So let's make another chain. 1, 2, 3 chains. All I can tell you now, 1, 2, 3 chains. Go over, go back in the same hole, pull it out. 1, 2. We're going back in the same hole 6 times. This is the third one. We're going in. 1, 2. When you get to 3, just make a loop and go back. So crochet over, going back at the same hole 3 more times. 1, 2. Another leg. So now we have 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th leg. 6. And there you have it. We have 6 legs now. 1, 2, 3. Third one is that. One stays in the center. 3. Okay. Let's just figure out how to space this to give you that. You see here I have done space this much. Let's see, because remember this thing is like a flower, so basically half falls on this side, half will fall on that side. So you figure out how to space it, because remember half comes from here and half will go from the other one. Just go 1, 2, 3. Let's choose the 4th row here. We're gonna insert a crochet in the 4th row right there. So 1, 2, go over, going back in the same hole. 1, 2, go over. 2. So this is always a double crochet. 1, 2. Let's close it with another chain, another loop. Count 4 again. As you can see, like I said here, see this is a good spacing. It's not too tight, not too loose. So 4 of them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Center. Okay, now we have 3. And you have to figure out how you space yours based on thread you have and needle size and your clothing. I don't know if it's too thick, too thin. Six. Okay. So 3 on this side, 3 on the other. Okay, let's make one more and then I'll see on the next row. Okay, so we got to the end of the first row. Let's see, we can connect it like this. Go right here in the first leg. Now we have one row completed. Go here. Okay, now we go back to the center. Do 3 over. I have 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 chain. Okay, so you have 6 legs again. You see how they separate? 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Go all the way here. Two. One in the middle, over. Let's start the other half. I hope this is not too complicated for you guys. I think it's a very simple one, but yet looks so sophisticated. Still basic chains and basically double crochet. Remember, be creative with the color, with the texture, with the with the clothing you're choosing to insert the thread to. Don't be afraid to try. It's okay to take it apart and start all over again. I do it all the time, even to these days. Sometimes the circle might come too loose or too tight. You'll have to redo it, but this looks like it's a good size. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side and then I'll come back to you later for the third row. Okay, so there we go, completed the second row. Again, go on this first leg here, put it on, pull it through. Take one invisible chain like that, go through another, just to get to the center, clean look. Okay, we got to the center again. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, go over. 1, 2. This is the second leg, one more leg. And go. 1 chain. Alright, so let me go back. Okay, one more. Let's finish this one and then. Okay, so this is the third row. Let me go back to the end and I come back to you. And here we are, coming to the end of the third row. How exciting, it's looking great. For me, the minimum 3 rows are the best look, but you can stop anywhere from 1 to 2 to 3 to but the minimum for me are 3. Okay, let's finish this last and then we'll talk. And this is how you close between the beginning and the end. Okay. Oops, sorry. See, I made a mistake. I only did 3 chain in here. No, they're supposed to be legs. We have to have 6, not 3. So 1. You see? Actually, it's late at night and make mistakes. It's actually nice and peaceful now. This is where I do my crochet at night, early in the morning with my coffee. I like it quiet, to listen to my own thoughts, you know. And then at night I enjoy this quiet time again. Okay, so we came to the end of the third row. So basically we can leave it like this. You can leave the edge, or you can continue with an additional beauty. I'm sure most of you knows, but for the one that don't know, continue like this. Single crochet this time. Go in each one, oops, there we go. And when you get to the center, you do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, You see, it gives that beautiful definition. And then the next one is single one, next one single, also here one. You see the difference? More pronounced versus just One, two, three. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop here. I'm just gonna leave it here because I will have to open this, to be honest. This is just a sample for you all. So this is what we got, and of course you do the same on the bottom of the blouse if you want. Oh, here was another idea I wanted to show you guys, but then I stopped and I chose this other one. Oh, I have three compared to exact same design. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll hope to see you soon.